Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O. It feel like it's been a minute, but I know it haven't been that long since I've been on here talking to you guys. I know the last video I did, I think, was the pickup for the Pine Greens. So this week I got another unboxing. I hit the raffle. Shout out to the good people at S&S. I actually hit two of their raffles back to back. I hit this one for this shoe, and then I think like 2 days later, a couple days later, I hit again for another shoe. That shoe will be coming tomorrow, and this one came in today. Their boxing is unique. They got cool little boxing. As you can see by the box now, you know what it is, and I'm sure by the end of the description. They sent a cool little card. Thank you for shopping. Oh, that's if you want a return. I don't see that happening, man. I want these. I've been waiting on these to get here. So yeah, by looking at this, you know what it is. That good old unboxing. Yeah, buddy. Woo. Yeah. You see it, Jordan 1 court purple. You know what I'm saying? I struck out on the Foot Action raffle, which is rare. I usually hit, but that was the only store getting them as far as the online raffle. So I struck out, but I ended up hitting the raffle on S&S. So shout out to the good people at S&S. This joint is hard. You know I gotta say it. I gotta rephrase it. Say it one more time. These joints are hard. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I've never really been a Jordan 1 person. I used to always say Jordan 1s are dope, but they flat and they make your feet hurt. I hate them. Couldn't stand them. Within the last 2 years, I have been picking up every Jordan 1 possible. Cause I mean, man, like Jordan 1s and 11s are cool, but for the Jordan 1, man, I can't lie to you. In my honest, humble opinion, you can make this shoe a casual shoe. Jordan 1 you can make a Jordan 1 a casual shoe, man. And this joint is hard. I know, a lot of time people, you get the extra laces. I've never used extra laces in any of my shoes. I always use the black laces. It's just me. I like this quality on here though, man. This is a nice soft quality. You can see here on the side, man, it kind of look like on the side panel, it feels like, the soft tumble. It's not shattered backboard quality, but it's a nice quality, man. They did a good job with this shoe. This purple on here is just so hard, man. I actually found a jersey. I'm a cop. I found a Shaquille O'Neal LSU jersey. It had a Shaq and an Odell jersey. I might get the Shaq one. I don't know. I kind of want a Randy Moss Minnesota Vikings jersey because it's about to get cold soon. Not too cold, but a little cold here in Houston. So I might find one to rock with this one. But these are nice, man. And honestly, I'm going to put mine on ice, man. I'm not going to wear them right now. And it depends on what the prices look like. I might double up and get another pair. But these are definitely going on ice. I'm not putting these on anytime soon. So you won't see me out mine. A lot of times people be saying, oh, you did a review on this shoe, but I don't never see you wear it. You don't really have it. Nah, it's my shoe. I just don't wear it. I don't throw mine on the minute I get it. Like I'm anxious. I mean, I'm excited about having it, but I don't get giddy where I just got to immediately throw on the shoe and show everybody I got it. I don't care about that. I wear it when I want to. That's what you do. You wear it on your own terms. But these are hard, man. Must cop, must have in the collection. No complaints. Actually, I got another video to do. Right after this one, I got another shoe I picked up. But I had to do these, man. So go ahead and hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page. You know what I'm saying? Jordan 1s, man. We out.